Hello everyone, how are you, brother? Hope you will be doing well. Yes, this is second day of my broiler chicks. As you know, the chicks were received yesterday. This is second day chicks, and you can see on my screen. This is a 9,000 chicks arrival in one check. So you can look at these chicks. Chicks are busy in their drinking water, medicated water, and also on feeding. You can see on my screen on my video that chicks are feed in baby feeders, not automatically controlled big feeders. These are manually feeders that we installed for 1 week, that easily accessible feed to every chick and every bird, and easy accessible to drinking water. So please comment in comment section that how my chicks performed, and how chicks are going well. Thank you, your valuable comment. Hello everyone, you can look at these chicks. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Just look at this, this is plate, and look at the movement of the chicks just to vibrate this plate to the wall of the poultry farm. I think you should enjoy this and try this one on your poultry farm. That how chicks are response to this voice. I think this is the mother of these chicks. This plate work as a mother of poultry farm chicks. Look at the chicks, they are hungry, they are looking for their mother, and they are so attacking mood, and they are feeding and drinking water. That on poultry farm you don't need any worker or any supervisor. Then you just vibrate this plate, and birds are very vigorously distributed, and every bird enjoyed and very running, mashallah. So what is your opinion on this tactic? So adopt it on your poultry farm and enjoy your chicken. Thank you. In this video, we will talk about day 2 management of broiler chicks. Everything from feeding, watering to environment setup. Whether you are beginner, this guide will help you raise healthy and fast growing chicks. Let's get started. By day 2, uh, your chicks are getting used to their new environment. It's a crucial time for proper management. Let's first check the basics. First of all, make sure the brooder temperature or the farm temperature is around about 32 to 33 degrees centigrade. But never maintain the temperature at cost of ventilation. You can lower it slightly from day 1, but watch the kids behavior. If they huddle under the heat source, they are cold. If they are spread too far, it might too be hot. Comfortable chicks spread evenly, like you show on the screen of this video. Humidity should be around 60 to 70%. Sorry, light disturbance is there, but you should maintain humidity is about 70 to 65 to 70%. Good ventilation is important, but avoid direct drafts, direct fan, direct air in early age. Um about 1 week. Use 23 hours of light and 1 hour of darkness. It depends on your chicks. But I suggest in first week, first 7 days, use 24 hours of light. Light should be bright enough for chicks to see feed and water. You can reduce light hours gradually after the first week. On day 2, continue feeding pre-starter or broiler starter crumb feed. Place feed on clean trays or paper to encourage feeding. Chicks should be eating frequently. Use high protein feed around 22 to 24% protein. These chicks are distributed evenly in uniform level in poultry farm, poultry shed. You can see this is brooding area. As you know, I mentioned earlier that I gave space 0.25 square feet to 0.5 square feet per chick. So this is summer flock, and you can see this is cooling pad. So we use cooling pad in summers in early days because outside temperature is about 42 degrees centigrade, and day 2 or day 3 we maintain 32.3 degrees centigrade to 32.7 degrees centigrade according to the condition of my sweet and little chicks. So what about the temperature of your poultry farm at day 2 or day 3? Please comment in comment section and tell me about the growth and raise your chicken, how you raise your chicken. As early mentioned in my previous video that I raised about 18,000 broiler chicks. So these 19,000 broiler chick in each poultry farm or poultry shed. So you can see these little chicks enjoy their meal very humbly and very uniformly. So please drop your valuable comment that I gave environment to our chicks is suitable or not suitable. You can see on the my screen that every chick is uniformly distributed. It's mean that I gave 100% accurate ventilation. So what is your suggestion? Please comment in comment section. Thank you. Secondly, the airflow in these little chicks is very good, but airflow does not mean that air directly affect the chicks. So I use these air inlets for first week for these little chicks. When these chicks became first week or second week, then I gave air from the cooling pads from the front area. So what about your farm ventilation? As you know, all the brothers which are related to poultry farming, that in summer we use tunnel ventilation or summer ventilation. Through tunnel ventilation we use fans are on regular basis. So you can see that airflow is very good. All the birds, all the chicks are distributed evenly, equally distributed. So they enjoyed their meal and their drinking water with antibiotic and with ORS or glucose water. First water is glucose plus electrolyte water. So what you use on day first or day two to your chicks, please comment in comment section. Kindly tell me how much rate to you give to my beautiful cute chickens at day 2. Kindly mention your comment in comment section. How do you rate my poultry chicks and ventilation at day 2? I hope you enjoyed my videos, and please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question regarding poultry business, poultry farming, poultry feed manufacturing, poultry feed formulation, poultry feed management, poultry diseases, anything about poultry, you can discuss with me on YouTube or WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on my YouTube bio or link description. So thank you everyone. Always be happy. Thank you to all of you, brother.